Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to download Cryptocom application on your iOS device. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, make sure that you have internet access for your mobile device and open your app store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Cryptocom. Look for this application and tap on the Get button to begin downloading Cryptocom on your iOS device. Once the application is downloaded and installed, you can go ahead and launch the app open anytime you want on your mobile device and start buying and selling cryptocurrencies, trading cryptocurrencies, and also storing and manage your crypto assets with the single application. So that is how you will be able to install Cryptocom application on your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.